Someone was asking about these remotes built by technicians in the field. Let me show you mine.
This isn't something that I came up with on my own. I actually found other people posting about it, and I originally tried to build this with a DC power source, and that actually failed terribly. I still have the DC battery in here because I use it now to charge the hotspot that we bring out with us into the field to give us internet to use this remote wherever we're at. This thing's also great for giving us internet to our laptop so we can run Centralis on some commercial properties. So the way that this works is I have all of this wired already inside of the controller, and I have these pigtails. And what I'm doing to get power is I'm pulling the power from the controller, the client's controller, to power up my remote.
Hold on 1 second. I missed a step, and I know you haven't tried this yet because I haven't finished explaining how to do this. Before you do any of this, turn the power off and then proceed with connecting the remote to the controller so that you don't damage anything, your remote or the client's controller. All right, now let's proceed with how we set up the rest of this remote.
So after you've got the 24 volts connected from your remote to the client's 24 volts, that will give you power at your remote. From there, you will connect all the necessary wires from your remote to the client's controller. So if this is a 6-zone system with a pump start relay, you're gonna wire the 6-zone wires and the pump start relay and the common wire. And then from there, you can pull out your HydroWise app and control this controller, and it will control that controller from anywhere.
Don't worry, I'm fully aware that this is a smart controller and I just used it in that presentation. It was just an example.